DROFEN Machinery presents the 4-2 ppm cartridge pen semi-automatic assembly machine. Compatible with twist pens and energy storage pens, it adopts a dual-drive mode of cam and servo, providing pharmaceutical factories with efficient assembly solutions and redefining the standards of production efficiency and precision for pharmaceutical equipment. The equipment is compatible with both twist pens and energy storage pens, achieving full product coverage. The operator places the cartridge pen screw rod, core holder, cartridge feeding components, and pen cap into the tray fixture. Calculate post-pressing clearance and generate precise rotation angle commands. Precisely rotate the pen scale knob to the target angle, dual servo linkage, real-time synchronization of gripper and knob spiral motion. Pick and place finished product into pen holder. Servo press fits pen barrel end holder. Force displacement curve control with real-time monitoring. Ensure no damage and zero clearance. 100% recording of press processing. Key data logged for quality control. Reverse rotation via dual servo coordination. Release the pre-reserved 15 scale clearance. Press knob to reset. Maintain clearance within 0 to scale. Defective products are marked immediately. Subsequent stations pause automatically. Zyme module removes defective items to reject bin. Seamless integration with feeding and cartoning systems. Production speed 80 or 160 ppm.